Hi, I'm Graham from Alpha Motors here in Wigan, and today I want to show you around this 2017 Land Rover Discovery Luxury HSE 3-litre TD6. Now this one is a very special car. It's finished in the Carpathian Grey Premium Metallic, which is a lovely dark grey metallic. Now this car is one of the high specifications on the market today. So this has got the exterior design pack 2, which basically gets you different front bumper. We get the black exterior detailing on the fins, on the front spoiler. Then we get the silver aluminium trim detail on the front and rear bumpers. This one's got the full exterior black pack as well. So all the grills are in black, even the wheel arch extension sections, which are normally black plastic, are colour coded, as well as all the door bottoms. This one then rides on the absolutely drop dead gorgeous 22-inch bi-colour alloy wheels, and then few factory options which are a must. We've got the side steps, we've got the mud flaps, and we've got the full roof bars. So if you do want to put a box on, you can do with those. This one has then got, for all you Land Rover Discovery caravan lovers, it's got a Land Rover deployable electric Towbar. That then folds away if you wish to put it away once you've towed whatever. We've got the full electric seats, so all 7 seats they can drop down electrically. We've got all the control panel in the rear of the vehicle here. Very simple, easy to use. Press the buttons and everything deploys. Towbar now will fold away. As he says, look at that, as if by magic, it's disappeared. Shut the electric boot there, but the rear bumper then, as part of the design pack, you get this, what looks like tailpipes in the rear, twins, and then the black exterior high gloss finish to the bumper. That then follows to the Discovery script, and then you've got the HSE, but remembering this is the luxury. So as you can see from every angle, it looks absolutely superb. Now this vehicle's got the benefit of a full Land Rover service history. It was purchased new with a Land Rover service pack, and there is 1 service remaining. So your next service is obviously at Land Rover is covered under that. We've got keyless entry, keyless exit, so basically just press the buttons and it'll lock. But they're fully loaded, absolutely everything you would need. I would say that these are arguably probably as high a specification as a Range Rover Vogue. So we get the full semi-aniline interior, which is a black detail with a contrast white piping. All the seats are fully electric, they're full in memory, they're heated. The steering wheel is also heated. This car has the Meridian surround sound system also, blind spot monitoring, lane change, deviation monitoring, and this lovely, I think this is just adds to this, the lovely trim detail there in the ash wood. We've got the all-weather terrain mats as well. They're a couple of £100. Taking a look inside the car, I'll just fire up for you. But we've got 33,151 miles, but fully loaded, as I say. So heated screen, auto dimming mirrors, a full panoramic glass roof which opens, gloss interior black detail, you name it, we've got it. Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, open it up on the front screen there, and we've also got everything that you need. CD player, storage facility, the real deal, this car, the real deal. Now in the rear, if you've got children, this will be, you'll not get them out, you'll park it up when they want to stay in the car. We have the rear entertainment system, so they can also opt for there. We've got 4-zone climate, so we've got the rear climate separate to the front. We've got heated seats also in the rear, and again, this system in here is absolutely to die for. What a car, I can't say more than it's absolutely out of the box fantastic. Now if you've got any more information you require, we've got some great finance packages on this car. We'll take a part exchange, we can do everything remote, so you only have to come to Wigan once. £250 secures this car offline and gets it ready for you for when you come. So if you want any more information on this vehicle, let me say I've drove it, I've used it, it's absolutely gorgeous. Put a private registration on that vehicle and it could be a brand new Land Rover Discovery. So thanks for watching the video, and I look forward to your inquiry.